98 to 2001. So take out the oil cap. All right, so find your oil pan nut. Mine's right here, and it takes a 5/8 or 16mm wrench socket, however you want to take it out. And make sure you got your oil pan right up under your oil, so the oil can drip straight into your oil reservoir. All right, so y'all see it's still doing a little bit of dripping, so I'm gonna get that up. Basically already empty, so just put the screw back on. Should be tight enough. All right, so next is the oil filter. Got 65, 68mm oil filter wrench. Right here, so oil filter right there. You gotta set your catch pan back up because oil will come out of this too. Alright, so just line your oil filter back up, get it in the grooves, and just you don't gotta torque it down, just make sure it's tight. All 5 quarts.